Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon 4G extender not working. So here's a guide for your power, GPS lock, activation and reset. Fix 1. Check the status lights. Make sure the extender is powered on. Wait for 30 to 60 minutes after startup, as activation can take time. Note any red or flashing lights which can indicate a GPS, internet or activation problem. Fix 2. Verify internet connection. Ensure your router and internet service are working. Connect the extender directly to the router with an Ethernet cable if possible. Restart your modem and the router. Fix 3. Check for GPS signal. The extender needs a GPS signal for activation. Place it near a window with a clear view of the sky. Make sure the GPS antenna is connected securely if your model uses an external antenna. Fix 4. Restart the extender. Unplug the power cable, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in and allow it to fully boot up. Fix 5. Confirm it is activated. Sign in to the Verizon account associated with the extender. Check that the device is activated and registered on your account. Fix 6. Check for network outages. Verify that there are no Verizon service outages in your area. Temporary network issues can prevent the extender from connecting. Fix 7. Reset the extender. Locate the reset button, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Allow the extender to restart and reactivate. Fix 8. Verify firewall settings. If you are using a custom router or firewall, ensure required ports are not blocked. Enable UPnP if available. Try connecting the extender directly to the primary router. Fix 9. Confirm your phone is using the extender. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Wait for a few minutes for the phone to reconnect. Move close to the extender during testing. Fix 10. Contact Verizon support. If the extender still won't activate or connect after several hours, you need to contact your Verizon support and provide the status light information. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.